Richard, wake up. What you do, sleepy? Look on the dirty plate them in the kitchen. Me tell you say you could have stay here, but me never stay for dirty up my house. Get up, me I go work. Come. You're not staying in here and doing no. You're lucky some even take you up after your mother kick you out. I could have left you on the street. Come clean the plate them.
Auntie, you act like say me don't take the plate them or something.
Who you talk to, so? Eh? Don't talk to me, so.
Auntie, who the hell you beat me with it? Who want you? What you do that for?
Me and Sherry, remember that? Idiot boy.
Hi Richard, what you doing? A long time I see you, you don't remember me? Remember you used to come in with your twin brother?
Oh yeah, I remember you. I want to show you something on my phone. Something you don't like. Look. Your man see it, yeah. Anyways, you have a man?
Yeah, but he don't live here. He live in Westmoreland.
See, now you finally look like you live somewhere. But tell you if you come for a long time, or you expect to keep your husband when you look mash up. Tada, brand new.
So you must get lonely sometime by yourself. Forward.
Michael, sit down now. So gonna like in a sense. Yeah man, this look nice. Keep still, na girl. Richard, me know you're in there. Come out. I barely know the girl. I ain't in the bathroom, I do them something there with her. You see where your parents in my chat about now. What you plan for do? Breed the whole of Jamaica? Move like you have sense now? Look how you're young. You already have 2 picnic already by 2 different women. You're not shame. And your mother tell me say you're not even do good in a college neither. So what you want to do with yourself? You want to be one bum? Eh? Boy, you're not day picnic, but you really remind me of him. Me not lie.
No, but she feel touch my clothes and me left on the line. You see me hang up the clothes and you take it down. You take it down. You try be spiteful. But tell you already no, do not play with me, girl. Excuse me, after me touch your moldy clothes. And don't put your hand on me. Me bite off your hand. Idiot, girl. Yeah, talk about clothes. I use my baby formula. The container already half done. You tell me why you are use. What? After me not. Who else for touch it? After my daughter not craving like your son. Why you can't afford your own things? But you're jealous? You just because Jackson give me more money than you? Cause my old tighter than your own?
Your old tight? The amount of man you take?
Which man me take? Prove it now. You can't prove nothing, you just like run off your mouth.
What you talk about? From where I look up Pitney, you're full of man. You're full of man.
Jackson. So what you expect? Every single day, them girls go war in the house? And I alone living here, you know. One of them have to go leave Jackson. We can't have Antonisha all up in them drama here. And she has story all the time. Hey man, I want to kick out my picnic them for Antonisha. Just admit it, man. You never liked me from morning. I know you have to take out your frustration for my picnic them too. I just thought, you what you talk about, eh? Or you can't even say something like that. I not have you living on my house so long now. Yeah, for babysit Antonisha. That's it. Babysit Antonisha. After you know Antonisha move more like she have more sense than you. And you older than her. I left you in there for be the big brother. I look on all the chaos and confusion you bring in the house. What's next, see?
Bad man, I kill you.
When I take it up with your hand for me, girl.
Why you come and lick me with your big granny purse? Jackson, talk to her, you know. Me kill you, you know, girl. Stop playing with me, you know.
You're jealous of me.
Me jealous of you? You're a real idiot. Well, what planet?
Hey, I have an idea. We'll go outside for some caves.
Anthony, I'm not going nowhere with this ghetto girl.
Alright.
Watch it. Look at my bank account full of money. You're jealous. At that man, you're just jealous. You know Jackson prefer me. Anthony, can you please tell this idiot girl to come out of my face? Thank you very much.
Look here, the two no need for bill, alright? We can't keep on a fight.
You're right, Anthony. That's why she need to leave. She just said Jackson don't want her. Why should I leave? Take your ugly baby and go on. Come out. I mean, they want it at first place. Remember that.
Yo, all of that unnecessary, alright? Don't talk about my grandson, so. Yo, wanna from try get along for the picnic them sake. To a big woman. Just easy off for the cussing and excitement, no?
I can't deal with this no more, you know. Why you come here for, gal? Anthony, I can't live here no more. I can't take this. Every day she come, she try to start with me. Some type of foolishness. I'm tired right now, Anthony. I can't take the stress.
I understand what you say. I mean, this is a lot. And Jackson, I don't know nothing about it neither. Do you have a family member or someone you can stay with the baby?
Oh yeah, ask me for leave when she had a problem.
Jade, I'm sorry, but you can't come to my house right now. Peer problem go on, I don't want to get you involved. But me and you can go up on a look out, you know.
I was kinda hoping.
Listen, me say. But
I don't really mind for deal with all of the mix up.
this a past mix up, this are just complete drama. I'm gonna really want you to say certain stuff for me have to deal with. So when we get things together, me bring you over so you can meet your sister.
Please do it quick. I really want to meet them. I've been an only child and it's so good for knowing I have so much siblings. I mean, it's been kinda hard for just me, mommy, and grandpa. I mean, him not really like you. I mean, him kinda really hate you.
No, man, I already know him not like me. Him never like me from a long time, but that's alright. I can't really blame him. I mean, me the wild or me the younger. But my wife really meet his siblings though before I go back to Canada. Alright? And maybe later you can take a trip, come visit me. and meet your little brother and your big brother.
Yeah, I would really like that. I would go to Canada and visit. But me I forgot now. I have a lot of studying to do. And Grandpa will start course.
Alright, now say a word. Me call you later, okay?
Alright. Bye, Anthony.
Yeah man, later. Remember to text me.